It's like in a painting. And also the water is super clear. Absolutely spectacular. You see so far. So right now we're in Iseltwald, which is a very small cute village by the Lake of Koreans, and it is the filming location for this Korean series Crash Landing on You, which is how it gained its popularity, and it's super nice here. Like today we have a perfect weather, the water is so clear, the view looks like a painting, it's super nice here. It's like in a painting, and also the water is super clear.
This place looks like an absolute fairy tale, and it's so crazy how a village barely known became so popular from this Korean series. If you want to take a picture or go onto this dock, you have to pay 5 francs and then you can take as long as you need. For us, we waited around 20 minutes for 2 families in front of us, and then we had the whole dock to ourselves to take pictures, which was really nice in my opinion, because I can then freely take pictures without a lot of people around me. Or if you don't want to pay, you can also just take pictures by the lake. I think the view is very similar and it is absolutely stunning. The view on this train ride is absolutely spectacular. It's so scenic, so beautiful. If you come to Switzerland, make sure to take the train from Interlaken to Luzern or the other way around. You pass all these mountains and lakes and it's so pretty, like crazy, like out of a painting, really. I cannot explain how scenic this train is. You have to see and hopefully experience it yourself. I can confidently say that this was the highlight of my trip, just sitting on this train and admiring this beautiful nature. Even though I live in Switzerland, this is definitely not a view I see on an everyday basis. And you also don't have to pay extra for this train. If you have the half fare, the Swiss Travel Pass, or the GA, it is valid on this train.
So we are currently in Stanserhorn, and the view, look at the view. It's absolutely spectacular. You see so far into Switzerland and the lakes and everything. Wow. Yes, and the way to get up here is also very easy. We took the train about 14 minutes from Luzern to a town called Stans, and then from there you can walk to the Stanserbahn, where you first take a train up, and then this right here, the cabrio. Can you please zoom in? And there's also an outdoor section where you can stand on the top and really enjoy this breathtaking view. Here you have a very nice mountain view, and over there you can go take your panoramic 360 picture. Hi, hello from Zurich in Switzerland. So we just arrived here. It's a very rainy day outside and we went to a restaurant which was very good. We went to a Japanese restaurant called Kokoro and I had it saved for a very long time, but yeah, I don't know who recommended it to me, so I tried it out today and it was super good. So highly recommend any of you wanting to try Japanese restaurants here in Zurich. And now it's raining a little bit less, so it's perfect actually to go walk around the city a little bit. I'll show her the old town, all that stuff, the lake, and then yeah, we go from there. This Google office is where I aspire to work one day. And if I'm rich enough, maybe I can live on this street. How cool would that be? The Grossmünster has been actually featured in my video like 10 times, but I'm not sure why every time I walk past here I find like the need to show it to you guys again. Because yes, it is a highlight here in Zurich, right? Hello! Swimming so fast. So we're walking right now in a park. It is very gloomy weather and it's crazy how much like the weather changes the whole mood of this place. Because like usually there would be like tons of people just like chilling around here right now if it was like spring or summer, but now there's literally no one, which is understandable. But yeah, coming here, I think that Zurich is a nice city. I know a lot of people don't like it, but for me it has like everything that you need. Good restaurants, good cafes. That matcha cafe was like the best matcha I had in Switzerland, period. So yeah, that was cool. And I think if you come on a gloomy day, it needs to come again on a sunny day. Do you agree?
Sure.